Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Look at this. This is our 2015 Honda Civic EX. This is the top of the line EX, and it's got some additional equipment that I know you'll like. This one has the premium alloy wheels. Of course, as customary with all of your EXs, you do have your sunroof. This one has the proximity key, which is really nice. As long as the key is in your pocket or the remote is in your pocket, you never have to take it out. You just have to touch a button to get the trunk to open. You have to just touch a button to lock and unlock the doors, and of course it's push button start. You can see the Civic has tons of room with a folding rear seat. With that seat folded down, you can haul just about anything you need to. This one does have your backup camera. And again, the tires on this are almost new. This body style Civic, of course, is going to have a ton of room. You have your folding center armrest there. And again, look at your leg room there. Plenty of leg room. Easily fit 3 passengers pretty comfortably. And again, it is proximity key. You just push that button and it'll lock, and then just touch the handle to unlock it. As long as the remote is in your pocket, that's all you need. So this one does have all of your power options, does have your height adjustable seat there. Again, this car is very, very clean. This one has the Econ button, which is going to help you maximize your fuel economy, which is 30 miles per gallon in the city and 39 in the highway. That's pretty impressive. You do have your duplicate audio controls here. You do have your Bluetooth controls, which stream to your premium audio system with Honda Link. You do have your climate control. You have your HDMI and USB inputs down there. Of course, this one is automatic. You also have another USB input in your center armrest console. Again, folks, this car has 22,000 miles. That is close to new as you're going to get. Extremely affordable, very clean, very well maintained, super efficient, and you'll just save thousands over buying this thing new, and it's only got 22,000 miles. And of course, you know Honda. Civic is one of the best selling cars ever manufactured, one of the strongest resale vehicles out there, and it's that way for a reason. Extremely durable. These cars just run and run. You don't think about it. Hop in it and go. Don't think twice. Again, 30 miles per gallon in the city and 39 on the highway. Hard to beat. This is something that you can plan on driving for the next 200,000+ miles with no issues. Stop in here, take a look at this car, the EX, with all the goodies you could want. Don't miss this one. Tons of factory warranty. At City Motors, we have 0 processing fees. That's right, no fees. We do not charge profit fees or processing fees, whatever they call them. We don't charge it. Call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. Get down here, you're going to fall in love with this one. Thanks for stopping by.